Here I have OPPO A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Personal Hotspot. So by tapping it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. Tap more. So for example, you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can change your hotspot's name, you can change its password, you can change its security protocol, you can also change its IP band, and you can also hide your hotspot. You can also automatically turn it off when no users are connected. You can also manage connections, like you can add devices to block list, you can set up maximum amount of connections, you can set up data usage limit. You can also use Bluetooth tethering, USB tethering, and Ethernet cable tethering. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.